Today we are making a delicious rose French 75 that is perfect for Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out my shaker, and I am making this drink for 2 people. So if you're just making it for yourself, you can cut it in half. And the first thing I'm going to do is add in my Empress Rose Gin. This is absolutely delicious. It's probably one of my all-time favorite gins. And to it, I'm going to be adding in 2 ounces of gin. This is also what adds such a lovely color to our drink. So here goes in our 2nd ounce. Next, I'm going to be adding in my simple syrup, and you can just make a regular simple syrup with 1 part sugar to 1 part water. Or if you really want to infuse that rose flavor in, I like to add about 5 or 6 of these little rose buds. They are edible and they're actually really cheap. This was only $1.99. I got it at an Indian store, and it adds so much flavor to the drink. And I'm going to be adding in 1 ounce of my simple syrup just for a touch of sweetness. To make my simple syrup, all I do is take 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar, and you can optionally add in about 5 or 6 of your rose buds. I let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved, and then let it sit till it's room temperature, or you can pop it in the fridge. Next, I'm going to be adding in some lemon juice, and we want to add in 1 ounce of lemon juice to our drink. And if you can see, my garden is popping today. All the birds are out and fighting over the bird seed right now, and it is so fun watching them. There we go. Now I'm going to add in 6 ounces of my champagne. You can also use Prosecco. It's really just up to you, just so that we have a bubbly element to our drink. And I'm not going to be adding any ice to my shaker. I'm just going to give it a quick stir because I don't want the ice to water it down. And of course you can just use a regular ice cubes, but as this is our Valentine / Galentine's Day drink, I have this beautiful rose mold. It's time to pour in our cocktail, and I absolutely love the color of this. I find it so girly, and I'm actually doing a little Galentine's Day tonight. So I think this is just the perfect drink to serve. There you go. You want them to be even. And now it's time for our taste test. This is absolutely delicious. You really get that rose flavor coming through from the simple syrup as well as the gin. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers!